Hello viewers, welcome you all from HLT of Tech channel, and today we are going to talk about a very important video that may be beneficial for all the SharePoint users and administrators who are watching this video. That is integration of SharePoint 2019 or server subscription edition with Power BI server. As you all know that Power BI server is a very powerful platform of Microsoft that is used for data sciences and data analytics tools. You can generate graphical reports, you can generate real-time reports that are linked with your SharePoint records of SharePoint lists and libraries, and by using these reports you can give a better idea of decision making regarding the data analytics. Okay, all you need to do is to deploy a Power BI server in an on-premise environment, and after deploying that Power BI server you integrate it with your SharePoint server, and after that you can get the benefits of data sciences and analytics. In that you can generate graphical reports, you can do real-time connectivity of SharePoint list, because SharePoint list contain the records. Well, you know that all the records that are based on some values, many users that are mostly the top level managers, they don't prefer to go into the details of the records. All they need to do or all their desire is to see the graphical reports or for quick decisions and idea of what is happening or not, because in many records you want to show the trends, in many reports you want to show the summaries. So rather showing them the records of thousands of rows, you may give them or show them, you you can show them the records based on graphical reports or trends in different form of graphs, whether it is a pie chart, it's a bar graph, it's a uh, many other type of graph that along with the graph shows you the count as well. Okay, so in this way you can use the Power BI server to grant to plot the graphs of the reports. Similarly, that is another feature through which if there is some data that is residing in some SQL server and you want to change this data into graphical views, or you want to show that data in the graphical format to that view, you can do it by using the SharePoint. The SharePoint service, that is business connectivity service, is configured to link the external databases with SharePoint, and the databases records can be mapped or shown on through SharePoint external list in SharePoint, and that SharePoint external list can be mapped with Power BI server to show the graphical values of that data. Okay, I have practically implemented that idea of business data connectivity in one of the organization in which online attendance system was there, and through using fingerprint, employees used to scan the data of their arrival and leaving time, and through using that data I used to generate the trends of latecomers, of early backup, of late backup employees to the top management. So there may be different scenarios, but that data is quite useful for all of you. And the last of thing, Power BI server is a very powerful platform. All you need to do is to get the subscription of that server, to install it in an on-premise domain, integrate it with SharePoint, and get the advantages that I have already shown you. There are countless advantages. If you have any requirement of deploying such scenarios in your organizations, you may leave in the comment box so that I may make more videos regarding the practical demonstration of that theoretical video. Okay, I thank you all for watching this video, and guys, subscribe my channel to enjoy watching more videos.